In this video, I'm just going to show you how to finish or complete a service call. So I can either go into service calls or appointments. I like to go into appointments and see what service call I have. Down here at the bottom left, that's 16th Street Community Health Center, and that little orange dot to the left of it just says that it's a new thing, so I haven't clicked on it yet. So I'm just going to pretend like I did this real quick and go through it. Okay, so work type is going to be regular, not PW. Service code, sound, test. Start date, I'll go with that start date and time. Travel to, took me 15 minutes to get there. Lunch start time, I'll go 11. Lunch end time, I'll do 11:30. Okay, pause hours, so 30 minutes for lunch. Labor hours, let's put 5 in there. Travel back, another 15 minutes. Okay, so that puts me my end at 2 p.m. I used the company vehicle, so I didn't have any POV mileage. And this is a service call, so let's go to this box of one for service call. And since it's a test, I'm just going to say tested, comma, all good. Okay, so since this is a service call and not a job, I don't have a project number, a task number, or a task description. Just have that service call number. So if I save that, now after this is done, I can go into service calls and complete it. So what I did now is I just created an appointment. It's just saying I just worked on this job or this service call for 6 hours. Now I actually have to go into the service call. So down on the bottom, I'll click over to service call. And right now I can hit complete. So I believe if I want, I can add some parts. If I added any, just up in the top left, I'll just add whatever you used. So entry date, service call number, item. You just look up whatever that is. You can search for it. So if it's a console, there's an R5 console, R5 console receptacle, and some other things in there. So you would just select whatever you have, however many you have, and the stock location should be default your own. Everyone has a van number assigned to them, even though we might not all have vans. So that's how you would do a part. So if I go back and go to this service call, so once I complete this, it will give me a few more options. So I can add parts here also, so that might make it a little easier. But if it's a service call, you need the person to sign it. So it's really easy. You just tap there to sign it, and you have the customer sign it however they want. And then it says you must provide the name along with their signature, just because obviously that's really hard to try to read someone's name by their handwriting. So I just put in Dan. Put in my full name there. So yeah, and then if it's a lot of times David or the service manager will put in these items: manufacturer, model, cause, fault, manufacturer, Roland, Cornell, whatever, that helps us sort things later on. So if it's a Roland responder 4000, and we haven't gotten into using the cause and fault yet, but we might at some point. So yeah, so now we just save and continue, and we completed this service call, and it is up to the service manager to close the service call and send it over to the front office for billing. So now it's just going to load everything and update it, and then we can go back, and if we go down there, it says completed at the bottom, and that's how you complete a service call.